You don't know the story of the carpet, you want to go to the next media. Good luck.
Yeah, people. Right next, look like a house. A house song. They make it like a church. Yeah, people. So we are right here in St. Anne's. This property is up for sale. You see it? Very, very big house. Right in the middle of St. Anne's. So anybody out there will need a house to purchase, you can always link me in this comment section. And I can give you I can let you know the price and everything. See, they have good yard space. And the place quiet and nice. And when you open that balcony, you can look out into the sea. St. Anne's Sea out there. So it come with everything, come with all mango tree. And I can bet so this is one Julie mango tree. Yeah, people, some of us are walking and show no what go on, is it? Yeah, man, this property is up for the sale. It's my uncle's house. I don't know, so I'm going to try to get a sale, so show no what go on to the place. See that? Right over there, so you have a veranda. Nice veranda. See it? You come up on your veranda right here. See that? Veranda look good. Alright. You can look out there. I'm gonna walk around the house now. Show no what go on. Yeah, big up in the guys. I don't know, so your boy Dex Media. And today we're gonna do a little vlog. We're there in St. Anne's. Right now I'm showing one property in St. Anne's where I sell. One house I sell at St. Anne's. That's it. Yeah, man. But anybody interested in purchasing this house in St. Anne's, you can let me know. So I'm gonna take on a walk-through journey. I'm gonna show you the house there, show you the yard and something and the space and everything. So remember to like, share and subscribe. Forward, man. We're gonna show you what going on, is it? See the people? Nice property, is it? Nice property. Now watch the dog in the background, is it? Yeah, man, watch it nice. Yeah, you have some dogs. Now you have a little neighborhood. Next door is like a scheme. Yeah, this place is like a scheme. See, there you have a car porch right here, so too. Huh?
A big dog.
Man, step in a doodoo.
You step in a doodoo.
See, you get a farm in your backyard too, you see it? Yeah, man, it come in a little farm in your backyard. You have a backyard space. Yeah, man, it's a good look. It's a good look. So you see the view around, showing a good view, you know, people. Very good view. And so I go on. See it, and the land goes as far as the way around the back. So you have good backyard space. So you can still put on more house around as I see if you don't want. If you don't add on more house around your back. So it's a good look.
Then to shadow.
Can't show you that set to me. See that one. Yeah, help me more on the other one. So I show you.
So when I bathroom, them you see it.
Okay. Did see him in there. I forget piece. I mean, yeah, we want it to plant. It's not friendly. It's not oh, next time.
But it's so not blister.
Yes, next time. We're doing a little farming. See him. Time rough, you know, things no easy, you know. So have somewhere can go farm up and get go there when ready.
I love that place.
Leave it, me we get help. Because I know say let me tell Mr. Prince say will help me. Get man clean me up and something.
Yes, sir. I am Mr. Breadfruit up there, man. Yeah, everything. You not have to go country, uncle. You not have to go country. You have everything in your backyard.
Hello.
Eh. Come, puppy. Puppy?
Look, look at that tree there. You know, remember that tree there?
Star apple.
Yeah. Look at them, no like you. No puppy, no like. No puppy, no like. May I check on my shirt? My shirt.
Nice, sweet, you know. Me say flash on zero, man. One of me say one lower neck, you want to see me see if I did.
Look at that.
why me come for this stick, you know.
Lift me up.
Boy.
Lift me up.
You know, see,
Lift me up.
What I say?
Lift me up.
What?
And bite me up.
you know, see the breadfruit last me, bro.
You don't know the giant carpet is copy of Next Media.